Introduce features you looking for and fast overview on Elitech LMC-200A electronic refrigerant charging weight recovery scale wired remote. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Professionally designed to meet your requirements. 3 display modes: kilograms, pounds, and ounce. High capacity, 330 pounds, 150 kilograms. Ideal for HVAC and refrigeration service. Auto-off design, extra-large LCD display with background lamp. Portable carrying bag, heavy-duty carrying bag included, goes easily where you need it. It delivers dependability to get the job done. High accuracy and resolution, can be used with all refrigerants. Features a slip-resistant platform. Slip-resistant rugged weighing platform, good for all sized popular refrigerant tanks. 24/7 US technician support via email and phone. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from we described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.